Hello everybody, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing reading. Here we go. Open your book on page number 50, reading lesson 3. Page 50. Okay? The amazing animals. Okay? Look at the pictures. What animals do you see? Okay, so lion, a giraffe, and panther. Yes, excellent. Activate your brain. Listen to the following animal sounds. Can you tell what they are? Listen, please. Did you identify some animals? Yes? We are going to watch a video before to start reading. Here we go. Okay, now you know about what is the story, okay? The amazing animals. Listen carefully to the story. Follow along with your finger, okay? Listen, please. Do you know who is the teacher? Yes? It's Owl. Okay, here we go.
The amazing animal. Mr. Owl was talking to the other forest animals about different animals that live around the world.
May I begin today's lesson by telling you all animals have families?
Asked Mr. Owl.
Let's begin with the cat family. First, there is the lion, called the king of the jungle. He is huge and strong, with sharp claws and a bushy mane. Another large cat is the tiger, a terrible hunter. There are three very fast runners in the cat family. They are the panther, the leopard, and the cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest one of all,
said the wise Mr. Owl.
Okay, excellent. Now it's time to check for understanding. Okay, question number 1. Who were Mr. Owl's students? Okay, forest animals, other forest animals. Okay, number 2. What is he teaching them? What is he teaching them? Okay, about different animals that live around the world. About different animals that live around the world. Okay, question number 3. Which animal family was Mr. Owl teaching them about first? Okay, the cat family. Very good. Okay, please answer these questions in the extra pages of your book. And if you have any question, let me know by email or by platform. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.